Hello friends. So many times what happens, many person does not know at the time of using formula in Excel why we use this dollar sign. Okay, so in video this video for those person who don't know about this. Okay, so we'll try to explain why to use this dollar sign, when to use and where to use. Okay, now start.
Also noticed that we put dollar sign at the time of putting formula in between the cells and columns like this. Okay, so what we can give this dollar sign by pressing F4 button. You can change the position also, and sometimes you can give this dollar sign manually. Just you can click the position and you can press the shift and 4 button. Okay, so now we'll discuss about it, why we'll just use this dollar sign and when to use.
See, I did not locked any cells. Okay, now if I will drag, then I guess you know what will happen. What I have to do, just I have to lock this cell. Suppose we have a table of the marks of each subject, okay, of each students. Total marks is of each subject is 150, and the student got, suppose A got 82 out of 150, like this. Okay, now we'll try to find out the percentage of each marks of each student in each subject. Okay, so the percentage formula, as you know, we have to type the number into 100 divided by total number. So I'm writing here equal to, in the bracket, this number into 100 bracket close divided by total number is 150. Enter. It is the percentage of math for student A. Okay, if I will drag this one in the right side, then you can see that the result is appeared for each subject. Okay, now the position, if I will do double click on this, then I can see the selected cell is B3 for math. But if I will click here, then I can see the selected cells is geography for C3. It is changes one by one because I just dragged, so selection is also changed. Okay, if I will drag this one down, then it is also show the result for each student because the selection is changed. Okay, this one for C, this one for D. See, the selection is changed. Why? Because I did not locked. Okay, but it is the right result for each subject. Okay, if I will click any other subject, then I will see the selection for that subject is showing here. It is okay. But what if I will lock this number, this cell, by pressing F4 button? Suppose B and 3 both I locked. Okay, B column and 3 row I locked. Then what will happen? After that, if I will drag at right side, I can see the same result. Why? Because the cell and row is locked. Now if I am double clicking on this, it is also selected the same cell. It is also selected the same cell because I locked this one by giving the dollar sign for in each column and row. If I will drag it down, then what will happen? It will also show the same results. See, it is also selected the same cell. Okay, so it is wrong results. If I am dragging everyone, all the cell will show the same results. Everyone is choosing the same cell because the cell is locked. Now if I am changing the dollar sign by pressing F4, suppose I am locking only column B, not 3. Okay, I am locking the B column, not the row, 3 row. Then what will happen? if I am dragging this one at right side, see the result is same because I locked this B. Okay, it will not change from B to C column. Okay, B to C it will not change. Here also the same, here also the same, here also the same. But if I am dragging this one at down, now the result is right. Why? Because I did not lock the 3 row. That's why it can change the row. Okay, for 5 it is here C, for 6 row it is here. Okay, is it clear? But what happened if I will lock 3 row, not big column, by pressing F4? I'm changing the position. Okay, now enter. Then if I will drag this at down, now result will show same. Why? The row is locked 3, it will not go to 4, it will not go to 5. Okay, but if I will drag this at right side, now it will show the right result because the column is not locked. It can drag. See, it can be changed selection. Okay, then now if I am unlocking for both, giving enter, now it is showing the actual result. Okay, but you can ask me then what is the use of dollar? Why we will give the dollar sign to lock the cell? So there is use. How? I am just saying. Now the second example, suppose I need the total number. Okay, so then what do we have to do? Just write the equal to sum sum, then selecting the cells, bracket close, enter. I did not locked any cells. Okay, so if I will drag, then it will show the right results for everyone. Selection will be changed. Okay, but what is the total number of all the 5 subjects? Is equal to 150 into 5, 750. Now I want percentage for the totals. So the same thing, you know the percentage, how to find the percentage, the number into 100 divided by total number. Now I'm writing equal to bracket the number into 100 bracket close divided by total number, enter. See, I did not locked any cells. Okay, now if I will drag, then I guess you know what will happen. See, for this column they selected the number is 490, but the total number they selected red one is 750. But for this column, if I am dragging second one, the cell also will be changed. Total number it took this blue one, and all total number it took one cell down. Okay, because it is not locked. The same thing happened with this also. Okay, but here what I have to do, just I have to lock this cell, all total number I have to lock. This is okay. This, if it will change the selection, then no problem, but the all total numbers should be locked. Now I'm pressing F4 to lock this cell, then enter. If I am dragging it down, now see, it will show the actual result. Now see, the blue one is changing the selection because it is blue one is not locked, but red one is locked. That's why red one is not changing the selection. Okay, I hope now it is clear to you. If you have any other queries, you can ask me on the comment. I will try to explain that one also. Thank you. Tata, bye bye, good night.